All I want for Christmas is you. Oh. Hello, Kabang, and Merry Christmas! It's so nice to see you all. Today, I want to walk you through the festivals, especially the differences between Christmas and Tet holiday, Lunar New Year. So come along for the ride. What a wonderful occasion this is. Let me tell you about Christmas Day in our Charles podcast, where I speak slowly to give you the best advice. Christmas Day starts with all of the family gathering together. One of the big problems is that we have to make sure that everybody wakes up nice and early, ready to open the presents. When you wake up, we go downstairs and maybe start with a glass of champagne to get the day going. Next, we will sit around the fire and open our amazing presents. Although some families choose to go to church in the morning to pray for a better future. In my family, we love nothing more than to open our presents first thing and see all of our fabulous gifts. As I have got older, gifts have lost their attraction in a way. Don't get me wrong, I love to open gifts, but for me, it's more about spending time with the people I love most in the world. I can vividly remember 2 years ago, after the COVID pandemic, I went back to my hometown in London to celebrate Christmas, but it was a surprise. I did not tell any of my family. Can you imagine? I had not seen them for 2 years. When I arrived at home, to be honest, it was a long, long way. Over 35 hours of traveling, so I looked a little bit rough. But when the door opened and my family were there on Christmas Day, it truly was the most special moment of my life. That is what Christmas is about. Everybody coming together to celebrate. Next, we talk about the best feature of Christmas. Food, of course. Christmas lunch is truly spectacular. Some families choose to go out to restaurants and bars on Christmas Day, but my family will often eat at home. Traditional roast turkey. This is a tradition on Christmas Day, but some families choose to eat beef or chicken. This would be accompanied with some amazing vegetables, potatoes, and indeed delicious gravy on top. Honestly, the food on Christmas Day is the highlight for me. There is one tradition that I do want to bring your attention to though, and it's particularly a Western tradition. If you go to a Christmas party and somebody presents you with some mistletoe, it is a tradition that you must kiss them under the mistletoe. So just be aware of this when visiting a Western house during Christmas time. Very romantic. In contrast, Tet, Lunar New Year in Vietnam, again, a really special occasion, but there are some differences. My first year in Vietnam, I spent Tet holiday in Long An province, just south of Ho Chi Minh City. The day began at 4 a.m. with all of the children waking up, excited to receive their lucky money. We cleaned the house from top to bottom and made sure it was spotless before putting out a large array of mouth-watering Vietnamese food on the table. We then gave presents to all of the younger generation. I'm so sad I was never young in Vietnam because I never got to receive any lucky money myself. But we then got into our cars and began visiting all of the family and relatives from all over the province. Upon arriving at all of these houses, I was immediately greeted with a beer and some food. What could be better than that? I feel very fortunate to have two big festivals in my life at the moment. It just goes to show, regardless of your culture and location, these holidays are a time to come together for families to reunite through the two best things in the world, food and drink. I think you will both agree. Guys, let me know about your thoughts on Christmas and Tet holiday in the comments down below. And I would love to know if you have any questions about these great festivals. Moreover, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas from all of my team at IELTS with Charles. May all of your dreams come true. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.